I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am Barun Chandra Sarkar, Assistant Teacher English, Government's Jazira Maharali Model High School, Jazira Shariatpur, Class 10, Subject English Second Paper. Dear students, I have already talked about right forms of verb, parts 1, part 2, part 3. Today's topic is right forms of verb, part 4. Let's go start now. Learning outcomes. After end of the lesson, the students will be able to write the sentences correctly, fill in the gaps with right forms of verbs, identify the subject and verb agreements. If two clauses are added by as if, as though, the first clause is present tense and the next clause is past indefinite. If the first clause is past tense, then the next clause is past perfect tense. Dear student, example, he behaved as if he bracketed by the car. First portion present indefinite tense and last portion have a past indefinite tense. Correct answer, he behaves as if he bought the car. Next sentence, he speaks bracket as if he knew everything. Correct answer, he speaks as if, as though he knew everything. Next example, he spoke as though he bracket do a great task. Past indefinite, next portion past perfect tense. He spoke as though he had done a great task. Dear student, let's go another slide. As if, as though, wish, etc. Then the subject is followed by be verb instead of where. He behaves as if he bracketed be a leader. He behaved as if he were a leader. I wish bracketed be a millionaire. Correct answer, I wish I were a millionaire. Dear student, let's go another slides. Any, none, is, every, either, neither, one, plus of, plural subject, plus singular verb. Example, one of the boys is present there. One of the boys plural subject is singular subject. Dear student, none of them was present there. None of them plural was singular. Dear student, either of them has stolen it. With them plural has singular verb. Either of them has stolen it. Either of them plural has singular verb. Dear student, let's go another slides. Is, every, one, any, no, plus one or more singular subject plus singular verb. Example, dear student, is boy and is girl was present there. Next sentence, dear student, every boy and every girl has been given 300 taka. Singular verb. Every boy, every girl and every child was welcomed, dear student. Next sentence, no teacher and no student helps the poor boy. Do you understand, dear student? Yes or not? Dear student, let's go another slides. So there plus is, was, has plus singular subject. Again, there plus are, oblique were, oblique have plus plural subject. There is a high school in our village. There are 2 primary schools in our village. First sentence singular, last sentence plural, dear student. If the interrogative sentence begins with the question what, who, what, why, which, when, where, whose, how, etc., then the auxiliary verb should be used before the subject according to the tense and person. Example, why he look so happy? Answer, correct answer, why does he look so happy? Next sentence, dear student, when father come? Example, when will father come? Dear student. Next sentence, where they go yesterday? Correct answer, dear student, where did they go yesterday? Dear student, let's go another slides. In case of 3 persons, follow the following rules. 2, 3, 1. Example, you, Shumon and I are present in the meeting. 2, second person, Shumon, third person, 1, first person. In case of confusion, স্বীকারোক্তিমূলক বোঝাতে, I, you and Rana are guilty. 1 first person, you second person, Rana third person. Dear student, subject plus prefer to plus verb plus ing plus extension. Example, Shumon prefers to reading newspaper. Next example, Rana prefers to eating bread. Next rule, distance, money, time plus singular verb. Example, 20 miles is a long way. 2000 years is a long time. Money begets money. Do you understand, dear student? Let's go another slide. If population, public, crowd, army, committee, team, government, dozen, scenery, knowledge, 100, 1000, furniture, machinery, money, advice, poetry, girls, mathematics, physics, peer, bread, news, electronics, information, dollars, miles are used in the sentence, the verb will be singular. Hill news runs space. Physics is a critical subject. Population is increasing day by day. A pair of shoes is on the table. 1 dozen of bananas is sufficient. Homework. Complete the following text with right forms of verbs given in the box. Pull, have, feel, throw, become, catch, support, see, use, live. Once upon a time there lived a fisherman who was old and poor. He barely could support his wife and 3 children. Every day he used to go fishing early in the morning, but he never threw his net into the sea more than 4 times. One morning he threw his net into the sea as usual. As he was pulling it back towards the shore, he felt a great weight. He thought he had a large fish, and so he felt very happy. But a moment later he saw that he had no fish, rather only a dead donkey. Then the fisherman became angry. Dear student, do you understand? Thanks to all.